So, hi guys, our topic for today is about the common string operations. This presentation covers frequently used string operations, methods, and their applications in programming. It provides syntax and examples as a foundation for text manipulation in various tasks. So first is string. String is a sequence of characters used to represent text. It's a fundamental data type for storing and manipulating text within a program. So, ang string ay ang sunod-sunod na mga character, like letters or symbols. So, mabuhat na to ang string gamit ang both single quote or double quote. For example, a sequence of characters in programming like hello in Python. So, string creation, defining strings. Strings can be created using single or double quotes in most programming languages, allowing for flexible representation of text. So, kung yung na is pwede siya single or double quotes. Like this example, so hello world, string nagamit siya og single quotes. And the welcome user, string nagamit siya og double quotes. So next is the multi-line strings. Some languages support multi-line strings using triple quotes or special characters, making it easier to handle long text. So, kanang multi-line strings is like sa an example, nag-on og message is equal to hello user. Welcome to the user system. Please enter your credentials below. So, nagamit siya og multi-line strings to localize. Next is the string interpolation. So, string interpolation is allows variables to be embedded directly within strings, improving readability and reducing code complexity. So, ang string interpolation is sa paglinggo sa code o pagbasa ng sayong branch. Then, for example is grant a message. So, ang message na is equal to F string or F formatted string. My name is, and I'm age years old and the age is 25. And atong name is equal to John. So result ana is my name is John and I am 25 years old. Then what is the string methods overview? Length calculation. So the len method returns the number of characters in a string. Useful for validation. So ang len is gamit na siya para na maihap pila ka character ang nasa ibahan. Pila ka character sa total string. For example, is auto password is equal to super 1 to 3. Then magamit na og len is equal to len and the password. Then atong i-print ang len, then mag-output siya og 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Substring extraction, retrieve parts of a string using slicing or substring, isolating necessary information. For example, text is equal to hello world. Part text 0.5. Yung part na output is hello. Kaya ang 5 is na thousands of ang hello is time just the 5 characters. So next is returning white space from strip, strip, and strip method. So muna siya remove white spaces. For example, gamitin na ito ang strip. And close and open parentheses. So once I remove both leaving and creating white space. The example is S is equal to space hello world space world. So mo na siya ang mag-remove sa pinakauna nga space, which is na atong output is hello space world. So nawalang space niya sa pinakauna. So next is string replacement. Replace old new method replaces occurrences of a substring efficiently. So example text is equal to I love apples. So new text is equal to text replace apples. comma, oranges, and print new text. So, nagpasabot na siya nga ang apples is ato siyang bayloan og oranges. Next is the string white space. Our, our script, our script and also methods make reading and filling white spaces. For example, the twin text strip katong ginagain na naglilito sa leading na white space or pinakaunang na space. Then, ang twin text I strip is hello for if we remove ni ang pinakaunang gihapon siya na space. So next is the using format method. For the format method enhances string readability by allowing you to insert values dynamically, especially when generating sound. For example, name is equal to Lisa, age is equal to 22, message is my name is bracket, and I am bracket years old. Format ni age para pag masulod na to ang variables mas nasa ang sulod sa variables na name and age. Then ang output niya is my name is Lila and I am 22 years old. Sunod is ang f-strings. In Python, f-strings provide a concise way to embed expression inside string literals promoting code clarity and performance. For example, name is equal to Mark, age is equal to 30, message is my name is bracket name and I am years old. Then, ito yung print message. So, para mas madali na ito nga masud ang name of age na variable kasi sulod sa ila. Magamit taan ni f-strings or formatted strings. So, ang output niya is my name is Mark and I am 30 years old. Next is string concatenation. String concatenation is the process of joining two or more strings together to form a single string. This is commonly used in programming when you want to combine words, messages, variables, or user input. For example, is magamit ang plus operator. The plus operator joins two strings together. Ang duha ka string yung isa. For example, akong mag-initialize to. First is equal to hello. Second is equal to words. Result is equal to first plus operator and space plus second. And then if have a result and mag-result siya og mag-output siya og hello world. Then using the plus or equal to operator. This operator appends a string to an accessible string variable. For example, using the operator appends the string to an existing string variable. For example, greeting is hello is equal to hello. Greeting plus world. Then mag-input siya og mag-output siya og hello world. Data validation. Strings are often validated to ensure they meet requirements like email formats before processing in application. Text parsing, data validation. So, ensure sa niya nga ang kataling gipambutang na data is sakto siya like sa mga format niya, mag-insert niya i-process tanan. Next is the text parsing. Strings are parsed to extract meaningful information from unstructured data such as logs or user input. Then file operations handling file content often involves string manipulation to read, write, and process text data efficiently. So conclusion of string operations. String operations are foundational in programming, enhancing text handling across applications. Mastery over these methods equips developers tackle various tasks and adaptively and efficiently. So foundational knowledge, string operations are essential for programming and enhancement of handling, they enhance text data handling across applications. Mastery equipment developers for various tasks efficiently. And that's all. Thank you.